Newspaper sources are a great way to enhance your research, and some of your professors may require that you use newspapers for your research. So in this video, I'll show you how to find newspaper resources using our databases. I'm on the Nicholls.edu/library, which is our homepage, and I'm going to go to this library search box and click on the databases tab. In that tab, you can select a database here, but I'm going to go to all databases just to show you a little bit more closely where I'm finding these. And I'll show you 3 databases we have for newspapers that are all really wonderful. The first 2 both are under the N's, and the first one is called Newspaper Source Plus. Newspaper Source Plus is just like Discovery. It uses the same system. So if you want more tips on how to search it, you can look at one of my Discovery videos, which is on the Nicholls Library YouTube channel. But once you're here, you can limit in the same way you would do otherwise by publication date, full text. You can click on the HTML full text to look at the article, and you can save and permalink articles just like you would in those other databases. The second database we will be looking at is Nexis Uni, formerly known as Nexis Lexis. Nexis Uni looks and behaves a little differently than your EBSCO databases. It's similar in some ways, so we'll do a search for Thibodeau here. And once we do that search, get 10,000 results, quite a lot of results. Notice that one of the neat things about Nexis Uni is that if you're looking for, say, law review or law journals or cases regarding your topic, statutes and legislation, legal news, or other materials related to the law or news, this database has all of that. It also gives you the options to narrow within a timeline, to search within your results, to look at where something was published, so I could only look in California, for example, and to look at the publication type. Once you click on a result, if you'd like to save this article, you have the option to print it straight from this page, to email it to yourself, or download it. You can also click this Actions button to get a permalink or permanent link to the page, and you can copy and paste that link and email it to yourself or whomever needs it. So that's Nexis Uni. The final one I want to show you guys is African American Newspapers 1827 to 1998. There's 270 U.S. newspapers that chronicle a century and a half of the African American experience. It's a really wonderful source if you're looking for any topics related to this. And I'll go ahead and search for Thibodeau here. Just like in the other ones, you can narrow your results by date range. I'm going to narrow it by some of the newer results. And you can also narrow by what publication it comes from, what state, etc. Once you click on a result, you have some of the same options, but they appear in different places. So if you want to print it, you can print it there. You can email it to yourself, and you can save it to a folder. And that's the last of our 3 databases. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and contact us, or search for some of our other videos on our YouTube page. Thanks!